In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create content calendar in ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a ready-to-use content calendar using ClickUp's built-in templates, then tailor it so it fits your workflow. By the end, you'll have a centralized place to plan topics, assign work, and track deadlines across your channels. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. Make sure you're in the workspace where your team collaborates, so everyone who needs access can see the calendar. Next, head to the space where you want this calendar to live. A space is the top-level area for a team or function, like marketing or content. Choose the space that already holds your campaigns, assets, or docs so your calendar sits close to related work. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to create something new. This is your starting point for adding items, and it will guide you into the template options that speed up setup. From the creation options, select Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which includes pre-built structures with statuses, fields, and views designed for common workflows. In the template library, use the search bar and type Content Calendar. This narrows the results so you're only seeing calendar options built for planning and scheduling content. Pick a content calendar template that matches your style. You can usually preview what's included, like list, board, or calendar views. Sample statuses such as ideas, in progress, and published, and any custom fields like channel, format, or due date. Choose the one that feels closest to your process to minimize edits later. Click Use Template to begin applying it to your space. You'll be prompted to confirm where it goes. Give your calendar a clear name. Include the team or channel and a time frame if helpful, for example, Content Calendar, Social or Editorial Calendar, 2026. A descriptive name makes it easy to find and share. Confirm by clicking Use Template again and let ClickUp build it. This may take a moment as tasks, views, and fields are created. Keep the tab open while it loads. Once it's ready, edit the template to make it yours. Update statuses to match your pipeline. Adjust custom fields to capture what you track, and set default assignees or due date rules if your team follows a cadence. Remove any sample tasks you don't need, add your upcoming ideas as new tasks, and switch to the calendar view to drag tasks onto specific dates. Finally, share the list with your team, set filters or groups the way you like, and you're ready to plan, schedule, and publish with confidence.